When destruction hits, there are companies out there to help with recovery, but be aware of what's real and what's not. In this morning's Ask 13, News 13's Madison Smith tells us how to deal with insurance companies and scams.
One of the most used words these past few months has been insurance. Making sure you're properly covered is important, which has an Ask 13 viewer asking, where do I start with Helene insurance? Is it different after a natural disaster, and do I have the right kind? First things first, call your insurance agent or broker, not the direct company line. They are better equipped to tell you the correct steps to take with that particular company. You can also file to their claims department online or over the phone. You can find that information on the cover sheet of your policy. Your standard homeowner policy should cover many things that came through with Helene. Things like tree and wind damage, alternate living expenses if you had to leave your home, and water being let into your house after a branch breaks structural integrity. But other water damage would require flood insurance. Something we unfortunately have to be hyper vigilant of is people taking advantage of vulnerable communities during these hard times. Beware of scams.
Sometimes these helpers will come to people whose house has been damaged, and say, I can help adjust your claim, but I'm going to need you to provide me with the power of attorney. And that is a form which gives this stranger the power to sign his name on your accounts and your papers, and even do things like cancel your mortgage or sell your house.
Some advice on how to avoid this. While we have many organizations in the area helping people with Helene recovery, insurance companies will never go door to door asking how they can help you. That is a huge red flag for a scam. Also, if you go through the legitimate claims process and you and your insurance company disagree on the cost of loss, you have the right to file for mediation by contacting NC Disaster Mediation at adr.org. If you need further help with that process, you can visit a local attorney for help. And if you have a Helene-related question for us, email us at ask13@WLOS.com.